Key performance indicators, or KPI, are the vital signs of a business. Let's look at how they help you track financial health. A KPI is a quantifiable metric. It is a specific number that tells you if your business strategy is actually working. Most successful companies don't track everything. They focus on a small set of core metrics that directly reflect their growth and efficiency. For a KPI to be useful, it must be clear, measurable, and tied to a specific time frame. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. It is important to distinguish between a simple metric and a true KPI. A KPI is a metric that is directly tied to a strategic goal. For instance, revenue growth is a classic KPI. By charting it quarter over quarter, you can quickly spot the trajectory of your business. Remember that data is only as good as the decisions you make based on it. Use your KPIs to adjust your strategy, not just to look at the past. Identify your top 3 business goals and find the metrics that measure them today. Subscribe for more money basics.